Hello everyone. So today we are going to fix one small issue in our save system, which is this. So we were last playing this level 1, and when I play that, you can see it opens in the last saved position, which is this place. We saved the game last in this checkpoint, but let's say for testing or something, I go back to the training level and play the game. Now the character is started here. The game is started here, which is what happens is the game is trying to load from the last world location, but it doesn't check if this is the same level that we have the save data for. So if we don't have the save data that is relevant for some particular level, we should not try to restore anything. Instead, we should go with the default settings. So that means here the game should be starting from this point. So let's see how to do that now. Right, first let me open my character blueprint, and here I have load player data. So here, this is where we set the player location and set the default weapons and the weapon ammo count. So now let's see the implementation of this saved data in the game instance. Right here. So in the save level data, we have level name, get last level. Okay, so we can check if this is equal exactly. Okay, if this is equal to the current level, so get current level name, and we check like this. So only if this is true, we should return these values. So that means let's have a branch and check if this is true. Then let's change this so it's better. If this is true, we can return whatever the saved data. Otherwise, we can return this with a false. So then player will not try to change the location. Now if I play the game, you see the game is started from the beginning. And let's quickly check if this affects the level manager as well. We don't have a level manager here, I think. Let's see. Mission systems, level manager. No, we don't have a level manager. Let's check the level 1. Here we have a level manager. So here also we get the saved data, and here we try to set the triggers and what's the last checkpoint location that player goes, and activate and deactivate the checkpoints or the triggers that we have based on the data. But here we are not checking if this is the same level, so we need to use that too. Right, let's modify this function. Get save data to include a boolean save data away. I'm making the first one. Compile. Get save data is implemented here. Yeah, so here also we can do the check. And equal to the get current level name. Then we, if this is true, that means data available, otherwise not true. Data is not available. So in the level manager we need to check this value now. Right, if not available, we should not try to make any changes. That means we should be starting from the beginning. So since we have saved data here, we can start it from here. But if I delete the save file, as we progress, now let's see what happens. We are starting from the beginning. Okay, great. Alright, cool. So that's something I wanted to fix in the save system. So thanks for watching. Updated project files will be available in the Patreon page. Link would be in the description below. And if you like to support my work, you can get the membership of the Patreon club. See you in another episode. Goodbye.